I've got this bathroom vanity with major water damage here. I'm going to replace this panel by using MDF and also vinyl wrap. Okay, so I've cut the timber, the MDF now, and I've cut an angle there so that it can be used to just open the drawer like that. Now, it's not going to be possible to match this white because there's another drawer on this side that's going to be also this white, and because I can't match it, I'm going to change the color just to make it a contrast, and I'm using this beechwood vinyl. Okay, so I forgot to mention, after cutting this timber, I've sanded down all the edges so that it's smooth. And now what I've done is I've laid out how the vinyl is gonna go, and I've made this cut just to peel off to expose the sticky bit, and this is where I'm gonna start just sticky around this bit only, and then I'll slowly peel back that way. So I'm just using a scissors to cut the back bit of the vinyl. It's gonna go all the way. Okay, so I've got that sticky part exposed now. Now I'm just gonna stick this on here. Okay, so I've got that stuck on this side now. So now what I'm gonna do is just peel this back slowly, and as I'm peeling back, I'm just gonna rub across here to make sure there's no air bubbles. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the corner so you can see that edge there. What I'm going to do is use a knife, a very sharp knife. I'm just going to cut it 45 degrees this way. I'm going to do the same on all four sides. So on the bottom part of the shelf, I folded the vinyl all the way here, and now what I'm going to do is trim along this edge here and then cut it that way, so like an L shape on both sides, so down here and across that way. So here, as you can see, I've just got that little piece here that I just folded it across there after trimming it there. So I've done it on both sides. So now I'm going to repeat the same, but this time I'm going to go this way. I'm going to pull it hard so that it folds cleanly. I'm rubbing it here to make sure it sticks. This is the back of the drawer, so it's not too crucial that I get all the bubbles, but do our best. So that's that. So it's the same again. I'm just gonna trim along here and then across this way and then fold this back. Okay, so now for the final piece, I'm just gonna pull it tight. Just rubbing, make sure there's minimal air bubbles. This little bit is okay because the drawer is gonna be right here, so we'll cover it.